So let's copy the text from here and let's create the trainers sections or the team member section here. To make things easier and faster, I'd like to duplicate the above section. Simply duplicate. So I just duplicate the above section and remove the background color here. Well, there is no options to remove it, I think. Here I can remove, and the cover block I can add or make the opacity 0 and remove this section, paste the text, query, delete, and also those sections are not necessary. So copy the text from here, the trainers, paste here, and then text. That's it. And remove the button here, which is not necessary. So inside the group, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 2 columns here and image block. Let me show you what I mean. 2 columns and make the column wider. Take image block and upload from media library. Type here portrait, and choose to teacher. Okay, add some text here. This is title, and let's make it heading 3, and copy this one, paste here. That's it. Make the text align center. Well, and let's copy and select paragraph, then paste here. So I can simply open library and download another image, portrait. Let's select this one, or a similar one we can use. I think it looks professional. And just take a look at here, the size is 624 by 1024, and this one is different, right? So let's apply the changes. 624. Okay, it's not applying here. Let's try 624 by 1024. Starting coordinator, it's not good, so it should be 0 here, and 624 by 1024, and the coordinator, let's apply again 624 by 1024. If I drag, the coordinator, starting coordinator looks like this. Let's click apply crop and see how it works. Save edit. Still it looks bigger. So sometimes it's hard to find the exact size of images, so instead spending time, you can use any tools to resize the image. I'd like to make it looks like this. It's okay, I can continue the size here, or 42. It's perfect as of now. We can continue this one. So if you want, you can add some more information, like you can add social icon, you can add their contact information if you want here, social icon. But let's add Facebook and Twitter. It's not Twitter, it's X now. And copy, paste here. You can use color which is logos only, and the icon color you can use your own branded color. So I'm happy with the result as of now. That's okay, we can continue this style. So now there is a last section which is happy face. I'll be creating this section in